All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to build your personal guide for navigating the huge, and let's be honest, sometimes chaotic world of AI. If you've been feeling a little lost, trying to figure out where to even begin with all the AI resources out there, you are in exactly the right place.
Does this feel familiar? You know AI is a huge deal. You see it everywhere. But trying to find a solid starting point feels like staring into an information tsunami. It's just so much. So many tools, so many articles. It's easy to feel totally overwhelmed. But don't you worry, because today we are going to chart a course right through all that noise.
So here's our game plan. We'll start by tackling that information overload by giving you an AI map, basically a go-to list of websites based on what you actually want to do. Then, we'll hand you a compass, a simple checklist to help you choose the platform that's right for you. And finally, we'll talk about taking that all-important first step.
Okay, so let's just zero in on the main challenge for a second. AI isn't some niche tech anymore, right? It's becoming a core tool that's completely changing how we live and work. The problem isn't a lack of info, it's the exact opposite. The real hurdle is just cutting through the chaos to find a clear path forward.
And that is where our map comes in. Think of this next part as your personalized guide. We've sorted these sites by what you're trying to achieve, so whether you're just trying to keep up with the news or you're ready to get your hands dirty with some practical tools, we've got a destination for you. Let's check them out. First up, if you just want to keep your finger on the pulse of this crazy, fast-moving AI world, you need solid news sources. Think of sites like AI Times and the AI newspaper. They're great for keeping up with industry trends, new policies, all that good stuff. Finding the top sources for your specific region or field is really the best first step you can take.
Now, if you want to pull back from the day-to-day headlines and really understand the bigger picture, you've got to check out the MIT Technology Review. This is where you get the deep, thoughtful analysis on how AI is fundamentally changing our society on a global scale. And the best part? It's written for everyone, not just for academics with PhDs. It's super accessible.
Okay, now let's talk about getting practical. This slide shows you two sides of the same coin. On the left, you've got AI Hub, which is for the builders. It's loaded with free data and models for actually creating AI. Then on the right, you've got OpenPrompt, which is for the users. It's a community where you can find and share the best prompts to get amazing results from tools like ChatGPT. So one helps you build the engine, the other teaches you how to drive it.
And here are a few more must-haves for your AI toolkit. Hugging Face is this incredible, massive hub for AI models. DeepL is an insanely powerful AI translator. The OpenAI blog, that's your direct line to the people who made ChatGPT. Kaggle is the place to be for data analysis competitions. And for all you researchers out there, Papers with Code is a game changer, linking academic papers right to the code that makes them work. Honestly, each one of these is a powerhouse.
Okay, so now we have our map. We know the key destinations. But a map just shows you what's out there, right? It doesn't tell you where you should go. For that, you need a compass. So now, let's shift gears and talk about how to choose the right platform based on your specific, personal goals.
So what do we even mean when we say the right AI platform? Look, it's not about finding the one platform that's the best in the world. The whole point is to find the one that's best for you. It's the one that solves your problem, that plays nice with the tools you already use, and that actually fits your budget and your security needs. It's all about that personal fit.
And to help you find that perfect personal fit, we've put together a super practical checklist. Just think of it as your 4-point navigation system that's going to guide you from a huge list of possibilities down to one single smart choice. Let's walk through this real quick. Step 1, define your goal. What problem are you actually trying to solve? Be specific. Step 2, look at the tech. Can it scale up if you need it to? Does it have pre-trained models to save you time? Third, check out the user experience. Is it actually easy to use? Is there a community to help you if you get stuck? And finally, step 4, evaluate the cost and security. It's a really simple, clear way to make a great decision.
And here is one last absolutely crucial pro tip. Before you go all in, start with a small pilot project, what people in the industry call a proof of concept, or a POC. Seriously, think of it like test driving a car before you buy it. It is the single best way to see if a platform really works for you in the real world before you commit any serious time or money.
So there you have it. You've got your map to the whole AI landscape, and you've got a compass to help you find your way. We've talked about the what, the where, and the how. The only thing left to do now is to turn all this knowledge into action. It's time for you to take your first step.
I want you to let this final idea really sink in. AI isn't just some other tech trend.
It's become a fundamental, central tool that is actively reshaping our daily lives and our jobs. Getting on board isn't really optional anymore if you want to stay ahead of the curve. It's pretty much essential.
And so, we're going to end with a question for you. Now that you've got this map and you've got this compass, where are you going to start? Are you going to check out the latest big ideas on MIT Technology Review? Maybe find a cool new prompt on OpenPrompt? Or download a model from Hugging Face? Your AI journey is yours alone. So, which site will you start with?